Welcome to Break Into Tech Show with Professor Temi Akinwumi of MyITUniversity, a multi-award-winning tech CEO, career coach, and mentor. With decades of hands-on tech career, will ensure your career dreams come true. Join our extraordinary show today on groundbreaking topic for a successful career. Do you want a $100,000 job as a cybersecurity professional, Scrum Master, Business Analyst Software QA, Cloud Architect, Data Analyst, Technical Recruiter, and more? Visit www.myituniversity.com to schedule a call. Come and get inspired to secure a lucrative job, keep the job, and grow on the job. Relax, receive, and see results. We're glad you're here. Share, like, and comment.
Hi, everybody. Welcome. I hope you're all doing well today. Thank you for joining me live on the show. This is your Break Into Tech show, and we're going to have a wonderful time today. My name is Professor Temi Akinwumi, and I'll be your host for today. And I hope you are doing well. Anywhere you're joining me from, welcome to your Break Into Tech show. Today is going to be wonderful. I want you to please share with others. Share with others on your platform, on your social media platform, so they can all join us. And also, I would like to know where you're joining from so I can welcome you properly. If you're trying to break into tech, this is the best channel to be. This is where you want to be. Break into tech. We're going to help you, mentor you, we coach you, we guide you, and give you all the necessary hands-on skills to break into cybersecurity. We have so many other opportunities that you can look into other areas of tech, but cybersecurity GRC is one of the best area you can ever look into because it's not technical, and we call that the business side of cybersecurity. You can break into that area of tech and you can do well. Welcome. Let me know where you're joining from so we can welcome you. Mumuni, thank you for joining all the way from United Kingdom. I appreciate your time. We are having the concluding portion of our program we started last week, how to implement the IAM solution, and this is part 2. So we're going to be ending that so we can summarize and have all the information, all the action together. If you are joining us for the first time today, I will still go over everything that we discussed last week, because last week was the first time we went through like 3 actions. We have 4 and 5 and then summarizing now, but I'll still go over those in case you miss it so that you'll be able to know where we're going. Having an identity and access management program in your organization is very important, is needed. And many times when you go for interviews, these are the areas which they will be asking questions and you don't know what to say. So it's actually requested by one of the students that we should have this moment. And I'm glad you are here. He's the first person here because this is very important to him and to many other people as well. So thank you, Momoni, for being here. Rita, thank you for joining. I hope your work is going on well. And Duma, welcome from South Africa. Oh, wow. South Africa in the house, everybody. Welcome. We also have Nelson. Welcome, Nelson. Where are you joining us from? And we also have Prince Adobo from Dallas. Welcome, Prince. I hope you are doing well today. So let's share quickly so we can get started. Nelson is also from United Kingdom. Guys, United Kingdom is winning the game today. So let's invite others. Let them know. If you are here and your cohort, you don't see all your lovely friends here, please go ahead and share with them. Let's share quickly for 1 minute so we can get started. Please, let's share quickly for 1 minute so we can get started. Join me live program, live now. You might be joining me on YouTube, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. Join me live. Okay. Join me live if you can join. Okay, so quickly, let's go ahead and share. Let's go ahead and share right now so everybody can see us, because some people they don't know that we are live right now. All our mentoring platform, please let's quickly share with them. That's the only thing we can do for our community, is to help them, help people prep for interview. So share with them. Just 1 minute so we can get started. We need to let all our lovely people be here. Okay, so that they can also be part of this. Let's do that. Let's do that. I remember yesterday, last week, some people came and said, Prof Temi, you didn't share with us. We didn't see the link. I was like, oh my God. I hope they are here, and I hope they got the link for today. For you to be live and be sharing live, it's like extra work. Right, guys? So that's why I say share, because if I'm live and I'm also sharing, I'm going back and forth. So I don't want to miss my lovely people. Okay, hopefully I'll share with them. Okay. So we can bring all our mentors in so that they can see us and they can join us. Right? So that's the plan. That's the plan, guys. That's the plan, guys. Hopefully I covered a couple of them. Yeah. 1 second, guys, please. So that's what we say. We have the heart. We want to make sure everybody is involved. Nobody is left behind. So that's highly important. Please share with your cohorts. Make sure they are here. They can see us. And everybody just know that even if I can't share with you or you didn't get it, just know that at this time, every single week, we're here. Yes. One more share. Thank you guys for allowing me to quickly share so we can bring all our lovely people in, so I won't be getting Prof Temi, we didn't know, Prof Temi, we didn't get it, Prof Temi, you didn't share with us. Oh my Lord. Momani, welcome. Thank you always. Appreciate you as well. Okay, Ontario. Regna, thank you for joining. Yeah. Todaros, thank you for joining from Texas. Thank you, everybody. It's going to be a powerful discussion today, and we're going to be finishing up the part. The IAM is a very big, lucrative career in cybersecurity as well. You can add it onto your GRC or your SOC skills. Is a good area that even if you just focus on that area alone, there's a lot of jobs in those areas as well. So it's good to understand that. And if you're going to become a leader in cybersecurity, it's good to understand what IAM stands for and how you can manage that for your organization. Thank you. Welcome, Ajayi Adeola. Thank you as well, Samuel. Welcome. Yes, so let's get started. Thank you. I appreciate your time. You can be somewhere else this morning, but you decided to be here. And that's part of our, how we empower our community, by always coming back to give back and to empower the community. And that's very important because, you're empowering the community, you're empowering yourself as well. Now, that's what I always tell people. Don't think you are doing anybody a favor. If you come here, you are not just doing that for the community, you are doing that for yourself first. And I always say, try to empower one person at a time, try to help others, try to be in the networking environment, so that as you continue your career, you get better and better and better. And there's no harm in doing that. Okay, so, and you see, I'm very passionate about tech. I'm crazy about cybersecurity. Because it's an hidden truth that cybersecurity. I welcome Sheikh. Thank you. Cybersecurity is like an hidden area, especially GRC. Anybody can break into it. If you are serious, If you are focused, if you are determined, you can easily break into it. Once you follow the process, you did it, the mentorship training and all of that, it's not too difficult to break into it. I've been mentoring now and training now for the past 18 years, and I've helped thousands, not hundreds, thousands of engineers, train them, mentor them, help them to break in. So if you look on our YouTube channel or our LinkedIn or even Facebook, you will even on Twitter, you will see a lot of people have mentored. When I interview them, we have more than 20 interviews that are current that you can even hear these people. You also can break into these roles. One thing you have to know is that there's need for dedication and determination. If you are not determined and you are not dedicated, nothing good comes easy. If it's on the floor, everybody's picking it, everybody will be in GRC or cybersecurity. But if you can just if you can just zero your mind, and I said I want to do this thing by so and so time, you can do it. You don't have to go through all the process of going to college to break into it. You can do 8 weeks of class, mentorship, and be in it. And the good part is that here with MyITUniversity, we don't just train you, we also mentor you, we guide you, we coach you. Mentoring is a continuous thing. I mentor my student every single Saturday for 2 hours, continuous mentorship. Because it's not training alone will not do it. That's why most people will be out there and be saying, oh, I don't have a job, I can't break into tech, I can't do this, I can't do that. Because they train you and they throw you away in 8 weeks. Who does that? How can you get back to a child and you throw the child out, you know, in a year and say the child should go and fend for themselves? It's more than that, meaning that we still need to make sure that we can guide you, help you to prep for interviews and do 2 projects. We sit pretty much it with you. Projects, you come back every single Saturday and you give us feedback. Well, this is where we are. We do status review of the project. This is what we need. This is what we don't understand. There are templates for everything. There are groups for everything. Like right now, we just finished we did one for Walmart, we did one for Toyota, one for Dropbox, which is a tech company, and one for MedStar Health, which is healthcare. So we did healthcare, supply chain, manufacturing, and tech. This one we just finished. We are finishing. So people already did their artifact, they are submitting all the projects, so we can put it on board and everybody can share and be on it and use it. Okay, like the one we finished now, couple of months ago, we did one for university setting, which is institutional, one for financial institution like banking, and one for utility company. We have some other one set up that's coming up that we're going to be working on. Okay, so we're doing different framework like RMF. We're doing something for third-party risk. The next one is ISO 27001. After which we do one for PCI DSS. So when you on our platform, once you are a student, you get into the program, you are getting free mentorship and you learn a lot framework. And also we did things with TryAcme. We do a lot of incident response, vulnerability management, all under mentorship. Is free. So it's like when you are going for other training program, this training, that training. Once you are in a program, you learn all about cybersecurity and you just come every Saturday. So these are the things that you will learn and you will enjoy when you're under our platform. So if you want to break into tech, we are here to help you. We do collaborative learning. Tech doesn't have to be very boring. No, it can be fun. And tech here is fun. It's fun. It's community. Community is very important. So you work with other people, that you have a team leader and you work together to do your assignment. You discuss everything. I come back and discuss with you. It's very important. So that's why when you people break into tech, they break in nicely. That's what it is. They break in as welcome, Simisola. I hope you are doing well today. Very good, guys. Thank you so very much for being here. So we're gonna get started. Don't forget, couple of things. One thing else I want to mention: if you are in tech, Try and have patience. Try and have patience. People don't have patience again these days. I don't know where they are running to. They just running around. If you are doing that, you will never have. I know this is the nature of things in this world now, that people are so restless. Okay, you need to have patience. I guess my patience comes from me being a software engineer for many years, because you'll be coding and things will break up. Things will break on you, and when things break up and the system is not the code is not running, I have to troubleshoot. I have to debug. So I've learned to have patience. Have patience. If you are on this platform, you want to learn, relax. What are you running to? So relax and learn. If you can't stay put and relax and have pen and notepad ready, you can't do nothing in tech. Okay? If you want to do well in tech, that's the secret. Imagine me doing this consistently for 30 years, working in tech, then mentoring for 18 years. It's patient. Okay? So you need to have patience, sit down and just do it. Not just running all over this place, and at the end of the day, nothing to show for it. Nothing. Okay, I want to mention that very well. Patience is required. So persistence, be persistent, be passionate, be patient, and be determined, and be disciplined to do it. If you can do that, every other thing is secondary. Those are the needed parameters to break in. Okay, very good. So we have an upcoming class starting on September 7th. If you are trying to break in and you've not, you know, you just see me or you want to join us, you can still join us. You can just text me. The number is scrolling down, 240-350-6159. Text me right there and I will get you started to be part of the class. Okay, so it's going to be a Saturday class, Saturday 10 to 12 and then 2 to 4. We run two classes, Security Plus and GRC. They are both highly recommended and required. Okay. Also, if you are prepping for interviews, make sure you get your Treasure Box interview prep app. It's on our website. If you go straight to www.myITUniversity.com, you will see this Treasure Box is on sale, 20% off. When you get when you click on it and get to the checkout, you will see it say 20 for you. Use the coupon code, is there, 20 for you. When you put that in and click sign and check out, you will see you have options to pay by pay later, after pay, like Klarna, and different payment plan opportunities are there. So you can get your 20% off as well. And also don't forget, where some people are asking, what is the AI prep? What am I talking about? So this is an interview prep app. It preps you for interviews. This platform is for mentoring you to break into tech. So I have to, and it's mainly, we are very, very focused on interview prep. So I have to explain these things. So I'm not wasting your time. These are the tools you need. These are software and tools that you need. So let me explain that to you. We have a lot of videos. There are snippets, like I call it snippet because they are like 5 minutes, 3 minutes videos that preps you. We have more than 50 videos. Okay, so it preps you for different types of questions, like general interview questions, scenario-based questions, situational, technical, resume, LinkedIn, questions and answers, hiring managers, question and answers, and what you can ask your hiring manager. Because sometimes they ask you, so I don't know what to ask the hiring manager. They ask you, oh, do you have any question? You say, no, I don't have, because you are not prepared. How can you not have questions? So these are questions you can ask, and the answers are there. Tools about different frameworks like RMF, ISO, PCI, EPA, third party. All these have their own modules. So it's going to be a review for you. If you've done anything in IT, it's going to now review all those things you've done and then ask questions on them, and then give you different approach to answering the questions. Even Security Plus questions, like the technical ones, it will ask you all those questions and give you all the answers. General question about, tell me about yourself. Why should I hire you? Why are you the best? What's your weakness? Everything is there. And also salary negotiation, resume, LinkedIn tips, all those things, how the process for interview works is built into our curriculum. If you are at MyITUniversity, you are doing our classes is built into your package. But if you're not a student and you're already in tech, everybody should have it. Go and grab your copy. Go on our website, use your coupon code 20 for you and get 20% off. And you can also pay installment monthly. The options are on the, once you click on checkout, you see the options there. Go to the website and grab it. The other last thing I'll share with you, and we're going to jump into what we want to do, is the book series, guys. This book series is very good. It's 5 books. We have 250 questions. This is channeled towards scenario based. Scenario based. Mainly, like what we're doing today is from book 4. So we have so many questions. Each book has like 50 plus questions. And each question, like one is, how do you implement IAM now? It will break it down. I will do this, I'll do this, I'll do it. It will have a STAR method. So the STAR method: situation, the action, task, action, results. So it will say in the situation, I want to implement the IAM. That's the situation and the scenario. Then the tasks that you need to do to implement IAM. What are the actions? I will do this, I will do that. It will list all the things that you would do, and then it give you the result. So this is what this is, because people are asking, what's the difference between that and GRs and the trial box? So this one is focused mainly on scenario based. And it break down every question that can ever be asked. Okay, it's on the website. It's 140 on the website for the 5. If you want each is like $29, right? But just check it out. And if you need a copy, like I always say, I can get you a copy on the platform. If you are here and you need a copy, if you can Zelle $100 instead of 140, you can save $40. If you can Zelle or Cash App $100 to the number you see, like the number you see here, with your name and email address, you will get your own access after the show. So you can get that just for being here. That's your gift for just for being here. Zelle or Cash App 240 to that number 350-6159. And you get your copy. People that have gotten it, they can attest to the fact. Don't forget, you can do that. Okay, don't forget to also text me if you need to be in our next program, and take advantage of your $500 off coupon. Okay, guys, so let's go. Okay, Carol, all the way from where? From Germany. Professor Temi, fellow cybersecurity professional. So glad to be here today, learning from the best of the best. I hope you are doing well. Thank you, Victor. Welcome. Yes, thank you. See, these are guys from all over the world. This is Carl from Germany, got a job right here on this platform. I'm telling you, from Germany, from Spain, from Australia. If you are sitting in the US and you can't get a job, I don't know what to tell you. People are coming from all over the world and they're getting their job from this platform. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Okay? Thank you, Eddie. Welcome. Yes. Can we get hard copies? Yes, hard copies. I mean, you're gonna download it from the website. It's PDF, and the paper copy. The paper copy is in the make, but you can still get it on the website. Who cares about paper copy these days now? We are trying to be friendly with the ecosystem. Now, Boyke, welcome. You are being old school. Simsala said, can we get hard copies? Yeah, you can get hard copies. And I'm making video snippets. So for them. So this video snippet is gonna come with the packages. Yeah. Okay, guys. Love you guys. Let's go, my guys. Okay, so we are looking at how do we implement IAM? How do we implement that? STAR, situation, task, action, and results. So like I said before, the last time we started and we were able to do a lot. So I'm just going to do a review. So if you are just joining us for the first time, so you don't miss anything from last week, but we'll not be able to go to the quizzes for these ones that we've done. We'll just do a summary so we can go straight in finishing up today. So that you can watch out for the part one. Go ahead and watch part one so you won't miss anything. So, and like I said, IAM, what is IAM? Identity and Access Management. Refers to a framework of policy and technology that ensure the right individual have access to the right resources at the right time. Right individual having access to the right resources at the right time for the right reasons. See that? Right reasons. So IAM system manage and control user identities and access permission within an organization. So we use IAM to manage and control the user identity, username, password, all those things, and manage all of those information and the permissions that they will have, right? So the core component of IAM, okay, number one, identity management, like I said, IAAA, right? Identity management, authentication, authorization, access management. So IAAA, don't forget. I stand for identity management, encompass the creation, maintenance, and deletion of user identities. Your username, your smart card information, all those things that identify you, your biometrics, all those things are your identity. Now, the second one, authentication. These are the components, the core component. Authentication verify the identity of the user through credential like your password, your biometric data, your multi-factor authentication. So if you put in your password with your username, you are able to authenticate into the system, right? If you have your ATM at handy and you have your PIN, which is the data for your for your for that ATM, then you're able to get in. So you can also do you know, like you can also do two-factor authentication or multi-factor, whereby you have your username and password and you also put in what? You also put in more information like your PIN that text you a PIN or send you by email a special code. You can authenticate to the system. So the third area is authorization. Authorization determines the access level or your permission level or the privilege that you need to have on the system. So users can have access to resources based on their roles and their need. So there's a need to know. Based on your roles, on your need, you're authorized to do certain things on that system, to use certain resources. And also, we need to be able to manage your access. So access management, control user access to the system, the application, uh, database on policy and permission. And also, in addition to that, there's auditing, making sure that we can keep track of auditing you. When you log into the system, we want to be able to keep monitor you, audit what everything you are doing, you're being monitored so that people can, you know, can be held responsible for the actions. You know, hopefully they are good actions, right? So guys, so that's what it is, guys. So it's very important. And so the scenario now, let's go into it. The scenario in this case, have your notepad and pen ready because you're going to learn a lot. So there's this organization called SecureEdge. SecureEdge need to implement an identity and access management solution because they need to track their people. Many of you right now at your organization, you are using this technology, but you don't know. Okay, so there are people that are in charge of this technology. Okay, so they may want you to know, they may want to know if you know anything about IAM. They may say, oh, we do IAM here, do you know anything about that? So with you being on this platform today, you won't say, oh, I don't know anything. No, you will. So situation. SecureEdge, a medium-sized tech organization or company, needs to implement an identity and access management IAM solution to enhance security, streamline access control, and comply with industry regulation. So that's the situation, the STAR method now. Situation, task, action, and result. STAR, situation, task, action, and result. Every time they ask you a question in interview, you want to answer them in a situation, task, action, and result model. Right? So they would give you the situation, then you think about it. What will I do? So the task required in this case is the key requirement for IAM solution were to ensure what? Secure user authentication, right? Authorization and access management. Right. So the goal was to select an IAM solution that meet the organization needs, integrate it with the existing application, and train the IT staff for smooth implementation. Okay, so that's the task. We'll think about it. So now how do we break it down to them? So what are the actions we need to do? We're going to be doing 5 actions. The first thing, action 1, requirement analysis. We did it last week. There are 5 questions under each topic area. Requirement analysis. We want to be able to analyze requirements. See exactly what are the needs, what exactly do we need to do, right? So we're going to be discussing all these 5 action items. So we start with requirement analysis, right? And we've done that next week, so I'm just going to zoom through it. We're going to put everything together later. We are not doing this particular one because we've done it. So you go and watch part 1. We did last week. So requirement analysis, then 2, action. The next one is okay. We want to look at solution selection and evaluation. Okay, so we have to think action 2. Because we have analyzed what we want, we know what we need, so we are looking now for the solution. Because if you don't analyze, you don't know the need, you don't know what you need to look out for. You can't just go and blindly customize something or look for what. So since you are able to do the requirement analysis, then you're able to know what solution that is required. I mean, you may not be the one doing it, but you need to support that particular effort. So you need to understand what they're doing. And if they ask you in interview, you need to be able to understand that. Solution selection and evaluation. Once they evaluate the solution, then the third thing is to implement planning and configuration. So they have to plan and they have to configure it, because it's not one art fits all. It has to be done in such a way that it's customized to your environment. So we did this last week and we have discussed what exactly we will need to do. So those are 15 questions we treated last week. So today we are going to the 4th one, which is what we're doing in part 2. Today is part 2. So now we start with action 4. Integrate with existing application. So this is where we start today. So now let's go, guys. Question 1 of 4. Okay. Why is it critical to integrate the IAM solution with the existing application? To avoid the need for user training, to ensure seamless access control and identity management across all systems, to increase the complexity for IT environment, and to limit the IAM system to only a few key applications. Okay, guys, let's see who's going to. Why is it critical? Why is it very, very important to integrate the IAM solution with the existing application? You know, you already have some application in place, but now you put this IAM, you integrate it together. You are deploying it into that environment. Right. Why? So let's see who's getting it. Okay, so Ajayi Adeola said B. Mumini said B. Regna said B. Very good. Let's see if you guys got it. Where's Nana? Nana is not here today. Okay, so B. To ensure seamless access control and identity management across all systems. So elaboration, let's elaborate. Integrating with the existing application ensure that the IAM solution can manage identity and access across the entire IT environment. maintaining security and efficiency. So you integrate it with existing application because that's what you're gonna be managing access of. So you have to integrate it with them and you have to configure it. Configuration is settings. When you set something up, that's what we call configuration, is the setting. Okay, so let's go to the second question, guys. So make sure when you're giving me the questions, the answers, you can put question 2B, question 2B, maybe like that. 1B, 1A, whatever. So I know exactly where you are, because if not, I won't know if that's the one. So I can accord you the necessary accolades. Okay, question 2. What is the primary challenge in integrating an IAM solution with legacy system? Legacy system are systems that are like older system that are obsolete, kind of, or that are not that current, are not newer, they're older. The legacy system may be incompatible with the modern IAM solution. Legacy systems are usually more secure and do not require integration. Legacy systems are always easy to integrate with new technology. Integrating with legacy system reduces the overall security of the IAM solution. Cake system. Oh, you are not nice. You are not nice. You are not nice. Moment is a cake system. Okay, so Adela said, hey, Adela, you are not playing today. You really came with a fight today. Mumuni say A as well. Renard say A as well. And Mumuni gave them a name. A cake system. Very good, guys. So let's see who won. And Simzola, you need to do fast so you can win. We're looking for first, second, and third position. You might be in the fourth position. I don't want to give you I don't want to say the answer yet. So let's go. Legacy system may be incompatible with modern IAM system. Very good, guys. So we have Adeola first, Mumuni second, and Reginald third. Thank you, gold, diamond, gold, and bronze. Legacy system. So integrating IAM with legacy system can be challenging due to compatibility issues, requiring careful planning, potential customization to ensure smooth operation. So you can't just say, okay, I have a legacy system. I want to incorporate, if you are bringing a new technology to a system that already old, obsolete, you need to be careful because it can break things. It can break things. So you want to be sure. You do a lot of staging, testing before you do a big, because it can break everything and then everything will be offline. And imagine what happened to Toyota. I mean, to all these tech companies, all these big tech companies. Normally we see, they are the ones that we see. But people have problem with implementing solutions, new solution with legacy always, every time, or almost every time. But we don't see that because they are not in the limelight. It's only the ones that are in the limelight that we get to see, all these organizations. So be careful. You do it first, you test it before you do it for life. And when you want to do it for life system, you want to be sure that you're doing it when the system is not that busy, during off-peak hours and stuff like that. Or you may have to do it on a alternative site. So when you will now roll over to that, when everything is stable, you don't just do it boom on live and everything boom went offline and there's a problem. Okay, question 3. How does the integration of IAM with cloud-based application differ from on-premises application? So we have some application that we are already have on the cloud. We provision the cloud infrastructure for them, and they are on there, or they can be live on premises. Means it's in our data center, it's in our local environment, it's not on the cloud. The cloud is not heaven. No. The cloud is just somewhere that we don't know, that has our information hosted on them. Okay, so we're saying, so you have to pick your answer for this one. A cloud-based application do not require integration with IAM solution. B, on-premises applications are easier to integrate with IAM solution. C, cloud-based application may require additional configuration to ensure secure access and identity management. And D, there's no difference in integrating requirements. Okay, let's see what you guys are saying. Let's see, guys. So 3. Okay, Adeola says C. Simsola, okay, Simsola, you listen to my advice, C. And Renat, C. And Mumuni, they push you to photo. Mumuni, C. So, cost legacy system can be prone to more vulnerability. Thank you, Deola. You're really not playing today. So, that's what it is, guys. So, let's cloud-based application, which is C, require additional configuration to ensure secure access and identity management. Cloud-based application often involve different access protocols and security measures, right? And require additional configuration to integrate them securely with the IAM system. Yes, exactly. So they will may have to additional patch management, additional installation, additional, because some of these legacy system, hopefully, and some of them might be even in-house. They are not systems that were built by some certain organization that they said, oh, this system is obsolete. No, it might be our own system that we built in-house, right? Maybe, for example, let's say right now we use ASP.NET to build the systems that we are building in Java and F sharp, C sharp, and all those object-oriented programming or Angular JS, JavaScript and stuff. We have a system that was built with HTML and ASP, which is classical ASP like spaghetti code. God forbid. I hope not. These are legacy system, and then you will see the customer saying, "Oh, it still works. It still works." That doesn't mean they should be using it because they're supposed to have transition. But some of them may say, "Oh well, I don't have the money. I pay so much thousands for this. I still want to use it forever." Okay, so these are the problems. And so when they have that in the environment, they still want you to help them integrate new solutions to it. It's a problem, So that's it. So that's it. So we want to make sure that we work with our customer and make sure they're doing the right thing. Okay, guys. So let's go. So we're going to question 4. Question 4. Yes, yes, yes. 4 people already voting. So let's see. Oh, sorry. Let me show you this thing first. Okay, question 4 now. What is the role of APIs in integrating IAM solution with the existing application? So what you will gain from here is you will gain a lot of experience. I've been in there for 30 years. I've done everything in IT, everything. Okay. So with my 10 certification, all my degrees like thermostat, thermometer, I use all those experience to enrich the community. Okay. So when we want to look at the role of API in integrating IAM solution, we have API. What is API? Application Programmable Interface. Okay. So API makes the integration process more difficult. API are only used in mobile application. API are not necessary for IAM integration. API facilitates communication between the IAM solution and existing application, enabling seamless integration. We use IAM to integrate one solution with another. Many times when you want to access an application or even like a database, or you want to get an application to integrate with another, you don't have to come through the software in the front end or through the back end to database. They may have an interface where you can just plug in. It's like when you want to, I will use an analogy. If you want to charge your phone, you plug in your charger on the wall and you plug it into the phone, right? So that's how you connect So integration is like you connect things together to get you the services that you need. So you don't have to go through the front or the back. You can just go through the middle layer. So many a times integration through the middle layer can be through the API. Okay, it's open and you connect to it. So what is the role of that API in IAM? Okay, so I already see. Let's start with Adeola. Adeola, you're not playing for real. Adeola is for the win. It's getting all A1. Okay, so Adeola, then Simisola, then Reynard for 4. Very good. Deola, just when I wanted to type you so fast. Yes, she's fast. Okay, so Mumuni, you push it down to D. 4th, come up. Ruby, welcome. Ruby also said D. Abby also said D. Okay, guys, let's go. That's what I'm saying. So so API facilitates communication between the IAM solution and existing application and enables seamless integration. So API, application programming interface, allow the IAM solution to interface with other applications, okay, ensuring the identity and access management function are properly integrated and they are also operational. Okay, question 5. What should be done if an existing application cannot be integrated with IAM solution? A, the application should be removed from the system. B, an alternative solution such as custom connector or middleware should be explored to achieve integration. The IAM implementation should be altered, and or D, the application should be left unmanaged for the IAM solution. So 5, yay, 5. Okay, Adeola B and Carl B. Money, very good. Money B and Regnant B. Or we pushed Regnant out. I think Carl woke up. Carl woke up. Germany might be nighttime. Just kidding. Okay, so let's see. It's B, guys. So we got Adeola, Carl, and Mumuni. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Alternative solutions such as custom connectors or middleware can be used. If it's not working with this one, we can get a third party that we can use to implement that particular legacy system. Right. So that we can use that. So the 5th action, training support. And as we go, guys, what will you guys want to see next? What area do you guys want to see next? Mumuni and Co. What area do you want us to look at next? I'm at your service. So, and they are coming from the book. Everything we're doing right here is coming from the book. What we are treating for 2 weeks is coming just one question. Just one question from the book, from one book. Blockchain. Okay, blockchain. Okay. You're doing all the sophisticated ones. Okay, very good. So, why is training IT staff on the IAM solution important? Do we all agree that we want to see blockchain next, guys? A, proper training ensure that IT staff can manage, troubleshoot, support the IAM system. B, training is unnecessary for experienced IT staff. C, training only add unnecessary complexity. And D, training should be reserved for end users only. Okay, so let's see let's see who got it. So 1, we have Adeola. Adeola, you're not playing. Carl. Okay, and Renard. Yeah, anyone goes, Prof. No knowledge is. Oh, it's not. It's actually very important because these are new technology that most people fail in the interview because they're not prepped for. They don't know what it is. So when you do all those technology, they are modern ones, and you need, it's very trendy. So you, like this IAM now, most people don't even have no idea what it is. And when they are just breaking it, and the blockchain, they don't have. The supply chain I did last time, go and check it. Supply chain also, you want to know about supply chain. All these are questions that you want to know about, be knowledgeable about. So proper training ensure that IT staff, so it's A, right? So we have Renand, yeah, we have Renand, wow, Adeola, and let's see, yeah. So Adeola, Ajayi, Carl, and Renand, thank you. For second and third. Training is very crucial for ensuring that they understand how to operate the IAM system, address issues, provide support for end user, contributing to the solution overall success. Very good. And don't forget to get your book, so you can also look through the book, like Mumoni is looking through and telling me blockchain. Blockchain is in book 5. We have not touched anything in book 5 at all. Book 5 has 50 questions. We have not touched anything in book 5. Maybe supply chain is in book 5. Blockchain is also. Book 5 has all the emerging technology, all of them. So we're doing that. We're doing blockchain from book 5. This one we're doing now, IAM, is from book 4. We're touching all the books, 50 questions per book. You need to grab your copy, okay, of that book. If you're interested, just sell your $100 for the 5-book series. 5. You save me $40 if you get it on here. On the website is $140. And you can get individual books too. If you want individual books, you can get it. But here, you can get the 5-book series for $100. If you sell it or cash app or whatever to this number, or just tell me I want the book series. Just text me I want the book series, and I'll be able to work with you. Keep the coupon for you because you are on the platform. So you are. It's very important that I take care of you because you take your time to be here. So that's what you will get for being in the community. Okay, so what topic should be covered in the training session for the IT staff? A, only basic login procedure. B, system configuration, user management, troubleshooting and compliance reporting. C, how to avoid using IAM system. And D, only end user support techniques. So guys, let's see. B, guys. So number 2 is B. Adeola, you need you got it. First one again, Carol. Then we have what? Edge. Thank you, guys. So number 3, how can how can ongoing support be ensured after the IAM solution is implemented? How can ongoing support be ensured after they finish implementation? A, an ongoing support is unnecessary once the system is live. B, only the vendor should provide support. C, establishing a dedicated support team and maintaining regular updates are an training solution. And the IT staff should figure out issues as they arise without additional support. Guys, do you agree with me? Which one? 3. Question 3. Adeola. Did you hack into my system to find the answers? Because I don't understand anymore. This one is like just going straight, getting all the answers. As in, well, I don't know if you got the answer. Let's see. Establish a dedicated support team and maintaining regular updates, right? And training sessions. So Adeola, Carol, and Ruby. Oh, wow. Ruby, you got in 3rd position this time. Juliet, welcome. I hope you are doing well. Okay, so that's very good. So we want to make sure we train them, the staffs. So what's the benefit? Number 4, what's the benefit of conducting past implementation review? implementation review of the IAM system. A post-implementation review are unnecessary. After you've deployed, why do you have to go ahead and do a review? B, review help identify area of improvement and ensure that the IAM system solution is meeting its objective, right? And C, review are only useful for finding faults. And D, review should only be conducted if major issues occur. Okay, the implementation manager. Okay, Adeola B, Juliet B. Okay, so only two people. What's going on, guys? Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. I only see two people, or I didn't. Okay, it's B, so we gotta go. We gotta move, guys. So let's go to the next one. Review help identify area of improvement and ensure the IAM solution is what meeting its objective. So regular post-implementation review allow organization to assess the IAM solution performance. They're able to assess it and make necessary adjustments to enhance its effectiveness. Question 5. How can end user be supported in using the new IAM system? How? A, providing clear documentation, help desk support, and self-service option for common tasks. B, end user do not need support. They can learn on their own. C, end user should only contact IT if they encounter any issues. And D, only IT staff should use their IAM system. Number 555, Adeola A. Then Juliet A. Where are my guys? Juliet A and ABA. So A Adeola, A Juliet, A AB. Okay, let's see. Let's see, guys. Okay, provide clear. So it's A, right? You got it, guys. Provide a clear documentation, help desk support, and self-service portion for common tasks. Supporting end user with clear instruction. Okay. Responsive help desk service. You know, the one that we call and they don't respond. And self-service option ensure smooth adoption and what? Reduces the burden of IT staff. So we can have support for what system was incorporated. So let's summarize our action before results. Let's do a quick summary now. Let's put everything together now. So number 1, conduct regular analysis. So if they ask you, this organization, SecureEdge, for people that are just joining us, we have part 1 and part 2. Today is part 2. SecureEdge is trying to incorporate or integrate or implement working on their IAM system, getting started on the IAM system. So the first thing is to conduct regular requirement analysis. So ensure that the IAM solution meets security, compliance, and operational needs by involving the stakeholders and evaluating both authentication and authorization requirements. So that's the first thing. The second thing is what? We are selecting solution and we're evaluating it. Solution selection and evaluation. Choose an IAM solution that aligns with organizational needs, because there are so many solutions out there, right? Considering factors like integrating capability, user friendliness, and vendor support. Number 3, implement planning and configuration. Develop a detailed implementation plan. Configure the system according to organizational policy, right? And involve stakeholders to ensure successful deployment. Number 4, integrate with the existing application. Ensure seamless integration with both legacy and cloud-based systems, using API to customize custom connection as needed. And 5, training and support. Provide comprehensive training for IT staffs, establish ongoing support mechanism, offer end user support to ensure smooth operation and adoption. Right. So at the end of the day, the result will be what? Successful implementation of the IAM solution at SecureEdge lead to at least 40% reduction in access-related incidents because the system is able to manage their username, password, login, and all that. User provisioning and deprovisioning become more efficient. You allow user having access, you create their user account, all those things. And the overall security posture of the organization was significantly enhanced. Okay, so it helps. The benefit of having this solution is to enhance security, prevent unauthorized access, strong authentication method, improve compliance. We have regulatory compliance and audit and reporting. We have operational efficiency. We streamline user management, single sign-on. We also have risk reduction, like reducing insider threats, policy enforcement, cost saving, reduce administrative costs, minimizing downtime, also scalability and flexibility, which is adaptability, integration, enhanced user experience, self-service capability, asset requests, and all of that. So there are samples, IAM tools. We have the Okta, is a very good example. Okay, so the use case for Okta, organization needs seamless integration with cloud application. They can use Okta. We have the Microsoft Azure Active Directory, very popular. Azure AD as Active Directory is a very popular one. Businesses using Microsoft 365, Azure, and Microsoft Service, they always use this one. Ping Identity, okay, is another very popular one too. So enterprise with complex hybrid IT environment may require that. IBM Security, Identity Governance and Integration, IGI, is another one from IBM. Large organization with stringent compliance requirements may need to implement IG. Okay, guys, I hope you have learned what IAM is and examples of them. Okay, so thank you for being here today. Don't forget, if you're interested in our upcoming class, schedule a call. Well, if you want to join the one right now, you can just text me, get your trial box, and also get your books. So thank you. Next week, make sure you are on time. You're going to be meeting here, and we're going to be discussing on blockchain. That's what we decided to go for the next 2 weeks, blockchain. It's coming from book 5. Get your book. If you want the book, if you get the 5 books for $100, $40 off, if you Zelle to this number or Cash App to this number, because you saw it on this platform, I will do it for you. Okay, so that's what it is. But if you're on the website, it's $140. But because you are here, you get the $40 off. Have a wonderful day, everybody, and stay safe. God bless you, and I love you. Stay blessed and share with others. Don't forget to still share. They can still use it. And also, when you join us later, you can still comment. I will read your comments and I will respond to you. Love you all. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.